How to avoid high taxes as a Doordash driver. Doesn't that sound great? Taxes can feel overwhelming, especially for gig workers like dash door drivers. But the good news is there are deductions you can take advantage of to reduce what you owe. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 key deductions every Doordash driver should know. I'll explain how they work, and I'll give you tips to maximize your savings. Let me be clear, I'm not a tax professional, but I've been doing this for years now, and I feel like I have a good idea how it works. One of the biggest deductions for Doordash drivers is mileage. Every mile you drive for business purposes, whether you're picking up an order, delivering to a customer, or driving in between restaurants, it can be deducted. The IRS offers a standard mileage rate, which in the last couple of years it's been around 65 cents per mile. So let's break this down. If you drive 1,000 miles for Doordash in a month, that's a potential deduction of $655 or around that. Over the course of a year, this could add up to thousands of dollars in tax savings. However, to claim this deduction, you need to have accurate records. This is where a mileage tracker comes in handy. Tools like QuickBooks Self-Employed have a built-in mileage tracker, so you don't have to manually log in every trip. Simply activate the tracker and it will automatically calculate your business miles, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Make sure to separate personal miles from business miles though. The IRS requires detailed records, so don't skip this step. Now, as a Doordash driver, your phone is probably your most important tool. You use it to accept orders, navigate to restaurants, communicate with customers. That means you can deduct a portion of your phone and internet expenses. If 50% of your phone usage is for Doordash and the other 50% is for personal, that means we can deduct 50% of your phone bill. The same applies to your internet service if you use it to manage your Doordash account or check your earnings. Let's say your monthly phone bill is $100 and 50% of it is for business use. Over a year, that's a $600 deduction. Do you guys kind of start to get this? So keep a record of your bills and estimate the percentage of business use accurately. Now, in addition to mileage, you can deduct actual car expenses as well. A lot of people don't even know this. This includes gas, maintenance, insurance, oil changes, and even registration fees. But there's a catch. You can't claim both the mileage deduction and the actual car expenses. You have to pick one. Which one should you choose? That's the big question. The standard mileage deduction often results in a larger tax break for Doordash drivers, but like if you have a car that has a lot of expensive, like frequent repairs, calculating actual expenses might be better. And again, a tax professional or a tool like QuickBooks can help you figure this stuff out a lot easier. By the way, I'll throw my affiliate link to QuickBooks in the description if you're interested. Also, any gear you purchase specifically for your job is fully deductible. This includes hot bags, phone mounts, insulated drink carriers, and even the backpack you use for deliveries. These are considered business expenses because they're necessary for you to work. For example, if you buy a $30 hot bag and a $20 phone mount, that's a $50 deduction. It might seem small, but these deductions add up over time. But be sure to keep your receipts because we're trying to track all of this because it's huge come tax time. If you pay tolls or parking fees while working as a Doordash driver, these costs are also deductible. Just make sure they are directly related to your deliveries. For instance, if you pay $3 to park while picking up an order or $5 in tolls to deliver to a customer, those amounts can be deducted. Keep a record of every toll and parking expense that you get. You can use QuickBooks to go back and easily log all of these and just attach digital receipts. Guys, QuickBooks has been a lifesaver. I have it on my phone. Complete game changer for small business. And some other deductions that a lot of people don't think of is, like if Doordash is your main source of income and you're self-employed, you might actually qualify to deduct your health insurance premiums. This includes health, dental, and vision insurance. For example, if you pay $300 per month for health insurance, that's a $3,600 deduction for the year. Keep in mind that this deduction is available only if you're paying your own insurance and you're not covered by a spouse's plan. So guys, keeping track of all these deductions might seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Like I was telling you, QuickBooks is a powerful tool designed for gig workers like Doordash drivers. It helps you track mileage, categorize expenses, and even generate tax reports at the end of the year. For example, instead of manually logging miles or expenses, QuickBooks does all this for you automatically. It even gives you insights into how much you can deduct so you don't leave money on the table. Again, the link will be in the description. You guys need this, trust me. All right, so here are a few bonus tips to make tax season even smoother. First, keep digital records. Use apps or cloud service to save receipts in logs. Paper records can easily get lost, so like digital backups are a must. Like I was saying, what I do is I take pictures of the receipts using the QuickBooks app, and it saves it. Second, estimate quarterly taxes. As a gig worker, you may need to pay estimated taxes quarterly, just so that it doesn't get out of hand, especially if you're doing this full time and the money starts to add up. Avoiding high taxes as a Doordash driver is all about knowing what you can deduct and keeping good records. By using these 6 key deductions in tools like QuickBooks, you'll be well on your way to saving a lot more money in tax season. Hit me up in the comments if you guys have any further questions on Doordash taxes. Please consider subscribing and maybe think about checking out this next video. It's actually really cool and entertaining.